Which rugged laptop actually lasts in the real world? Simple question, but the answer isn't as easy as it looks. Most brands claim to be tough, but only a few survive actual drops, spills, and extreme conditions. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the 5 that actually deliver. Product number 1, ASUS Chromebook Flip CX1. Starting off with the ASUS Chromebook Flip CX1, this one caught my eye because it looks sleek but claims serious durability. At just $355, it's one of the most affordable rugged options out there, and it's built to US military-grade MIL STD 810H standards. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 360-degree touchscreen lets you flip it into tablet mode for note-taking or presentations, and the Intel Celeron N4500 handles Chroma smoothly for web apps, docs, and video calls. With 8 GB RAM and 128 GB eMMC storage, multitasking is decent for basic tasks. Plus, the rubberized edges and reinforced chassis help it survive drops from up to 3.9 feet, perfect for students or mobile workers. Now, some people complained about the screen brightness. At around 250 nits, it's not ideal for direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, for indoor or shaded outdoor use, it's perfectly fine and you're not paying premium prices for features you might not need. This is perfect for you if you're a student, teacher, or field worker who needs something light, durable, and budget-friendly. Skip this one if you're doing heavy video editing or need Windows software. For under $400, it's a solid value for light-duty rugged use. Product number 2, ASUS Chromebook CR11. Next up, the ASUS Chromebook CR11. This is the little sibling built for tough environments. At $272, it's even more affordable, and it's specifically designed for classrooms and industrial settings. If you want a compact, spill-proof laptop that can handle daily abuse from kids or rough handling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 11.6-inch anti-glare HD display reduces eye strain during long sessions, and the spill-resistant keyboard can survive up to 330 ml of liquid. That's about a full cup of coffee. The Intel N100 processor isn't powerful, but it's efficient for Chrome OS, and with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB eMMC, it handles web browsing, Google Docs, and Zoom calls without lag. The antimicrobial coating is a nice touch for shared environments, and Wi-Fi 6E ensures fast, stable connections. Now, some people complained about the limited storage and RAM. 64 GB and 4 GB might feel tight if you're downloading a lot of files or running multiple tabs. Here's the thing though, Chrome OS is cloud first, so as long as you're online, you won't feel the pinch. But if you're offline a lot, this could be a problem. This is perfect for you if you're in education, healthcare, or retail and need something cheap, cleanable, and drop-resistant. Skip this one if you need Windows apps or plan to store large files locally. For under $300, it's a no-brainer for light-duty rugged needs. Product number 3, MUNBYN IRX16. Now, if the last two felt too basic, the MUNBYN IRX16 steps up in a big way. At $1,903, this is a true industrial-grade machine. If you need a Windows laptop that can survive rain, dust, and 1000 nits sunlight while running CAD or GIS software, this is worth a serious look. The 512 GB replaceable SSD can be upgraded to 4 TB huge for field data. The 1000 nit screen is readable even under direct sun, and IP65 rating means it resists dust and water jets. MIL STD 810H certification proves it can handle drops, vibrations, and extreme temps. Now, some people complained about the weight. At over 5 pounds, it's not something you'll carry all day. It's built for construction sites, oil rigs, and labs where performance and protection matter more than portability. This is perfect for you if you're in engineering, surveying, or field research and need Windows power in a tough shell. Skip this one if you want something light or don't need that level of durability. For under $2,000, it's a powerhouse for harsh environments. Product number 4, Dell Latitude Rugged 5430. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for enterprise users, the Dell Latitude Rugged 5430. At $2,322, it's a premium business-grade rugged laptop. If you need top-tier security, connectivity, and performance in a durable package, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Intel i5-1130 5G7 and 32GB RAM handle multitasking like a champ, and the 256GB SSD is fast and reliable. The 1100 nit touchscreen is one of the brightest out there, perfect for outdoor use. It's mil-STD810H tested and IP53 rated, so it resists dust and light water exposure. With 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and Thunderbolt 4, connectivity is unmatched. Now, some people complained about the lack of backlit keyboard, a weird omission at this price. Here's the thing though, if you're using this in bright outdoor settings, you might not need it, but night workers will notice. This is perfect for you if you're in oil and gas, utilities, or public safety and need a secure, connected, rugged machine. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need hazardous location certification. For enterprise use, it's a top-tier choice. Product number 5, MUNBYN IRX17. Finally, the MUNBYN IRX17, the high-end beast of the lineup. At $2,410, it's built for the most demanding industrial tasks. If you need maximum power, dual batteries, and extreme durability for 3D modeling or simulations, this is worth a serious look. The 1000 nit screen stays clear in full sun, and IP65 rating protects against dust and water. Dual batteries mean you can hot swap for all-day runtime, huge for remote sites. The replaceable SSD supports up to 4 TB, and the physical camera switch adds privacy for sensitive work. Now, some people complained about the price and complexity. It's not user-friendly for casual buyers. If you're running critical simulations, that trade-off makes sense. This is perfect for you if you're in aerospace, defense, or advanced engineering and need no compromise performance. Skip this one if you're a casual user or don't need that level of power. For mission-critical work, it's one of the best rugged laptops money can buy. So which rugged laptop is right for you? The ASUS Flip CX1 and CR11 are great for budget-friendly, light-duty use. The MUNBYN IRX16 balances power and durability for field work. The Dell Latitude 5430 shines in enterprise and hazardous environments. And the MUNBYN IRX17 is the ultimate for high-performance industrial tasks. Each one solves a different problem. Pick the one that matches your real-world needs.